Whoa, baby, say bye-bye, Christmas tree. It's okay, we'll get another one next year. Whoa, look at that. Nice and warm, huh? Whoa, baby. It's okay, sweetie. We have to say bye-bye to our Christmas tree. We'll get another one next year. Say bye-bye, Christmas tree. Miss you.
I like that one.
You want another one? See? Who made that fire? What? What, sweetie? Oh.